My name is Fraser Morrison. I'm the CEO and founder of 1000 Steps. What we want to do over the next 100 days is take you on a journey to understand sales from a practical and outcome-based perspective. 1 minute a day for 100 days with 100 skills that come from that. And today, from the courtyard, what we're going to do is talk about LinkedIn recommendations. I love LinkedIn recommendations. I think they're one of the most authentic ways of getting to know people, but they're also one of the wonderful ways of getting feedback from your customers and people that know you on how good you do what you do. Recommendations are really easy to get. All you've got to do is go to the recommendation section in LinkedIn and send requests to the people that you want to give you recommendations. The recommendations are critical to your business, and the more recommendations you have, the better. But I would say you need a minimum of 5. The task of today is really easy. What I want you to do is go into LinkedIn, go to recommendations, and send 10 requests for recommendations to various people that you want recommendations from. I will see you in the next video.